Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades and welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the important events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern time. Let's get started. We do have a busy week coming up. Our first event is Monday at 12:30 p.m., the 10-year bond auction in the trade room. 4:05 p.m. on Monday, no trade room, but we'll be watching Oracle's earnings. Tuesday morning at 2 a.m., no trade room, but there's an official British average earnings report. That is their jobs report, 2 a.m. on Tuesday, no trade room, but we do have a daily market mover report for that. Our first trade room on Tuesday is at 8 a.m. for the core CPI report. That will also be our free YouTube stream of the week. Back at 12:30 p.m. Tuesday for the 30-year bond auction, and 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. Wednesday morning, 2 a.m., there's a British GDP manufacturing industrial production report. No trade room, but it is an official event. Wednesday at 8 a.m., we're in the trade room for the first time for the core CPI. Back at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, and back at 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC statement. Two events we'll be watching, no trade rooms: Adobe earnings at 4:05 p.m. on Wednesday, and New Zealand's GDP at 4:45. We'll be back in the room for Australia employment, 7:15 p.m. on Wednesday. Thursday at 3:30, we're going to watch the Swiss official bank rate. That should move the euro and the Swiss franc. No trade room for that. That's at 3:30 a.m. on Thursday. Our first trade room on Thursday is 6:45 a.m. for the Bank of England official bank rate. Back at 8 a.m. for two events, the ECB main refi rate and U.S. retail sales and unemployment claims at 8 a.m. Natural gas storage at 10 o'clock, and then 4:15 p.m. we'll just be watching Costco's earnings, no trading. Friday morning we'll be getting up early, 3 a.m. Eastern time, for the French Flash Manufacturing Services PMI report of family money trade. Staying in the room for the German version of the same report at 3:30. There's a British version of the same report at 4:30. Trade room, not sure yet. We'll decide as we get further on in the week. Keep an eye on the trade room lobby for the final word on the trade room schedule. 8 a.m. Friday morning, we'll be in the room for Empire State Manufacturing, 9:15 for the Flash Manufacturing Services, and we'll finish out the week with one of our favorite trades, 11:30 a.m. on Friday for the NOPA Crush report. So thanks everybody for watching. Keep an eye on your email for all of our holiday promotions coming up. There's a lot of exciting things getting ready to get started for the holidays. Hard to believe it's almost Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, everything that people celebrate coming up like a jet. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you in the trade. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades.